Nakamoto game is on fire and is on the move. Right now we are looking at the coin market cap page of Nakamoto games. You can see it's on page 4, number 384. This is a small cap, all right, but it's moving, and I have made many videos about NAKA ever since it was around 30 cents. So already 100% gains since the first entry we had for Nakamoto games. And just to show you that I don't only talk the talk, but I walk the walk, here are some of the trades that we took in our community. Over here you can see the entry at the 32 cents, right, that I was talking about. Later on, of course, we had a trade, we had an 80% maximum gain over here, got out, waited for another consolidation. As you can see, this was here, and then another entry around 47 cents. After we did this and we're still in this trade, we had an add-on or a new trade for whoever missed it over here. Now could have entered above the 62 last local high, and we're moving in earnest. More and more profits are being hit, the last one being the 66 cents. So as you can see, we are banging NAKA. And the reason is quite simple. It's just giving us more and more opportunities to make money on it. Now you can see, okay, that is the small cap, as I said, circulating supply only 40%. So it might have overhead supply going on. That's why we don't hodl it for the long term too much. Only some of the profits you can put aside for the very long term. But usually we just trade it in and out and in and out. The best two options to trade it is MEXC and KuCoin. As you can see on MEXC, this is only spot, no perpetuals. It doesn't have any perpetuals actually. So on MEXC above 3 million, and on KuCoin above 1,300,000, right? So this is very low volume, so you can't enter huge amounts. You can't go with a $100,000 position within it, but you can take a 10, 20, 25, $30,000 if you take incrementally, all right, your position in and make a double on that. So if you have that size positioning, this is exactly the type of trades you want to look for, and that is one of the type of trades that I want to look for our group and our community. Because when you have a coin that just shows you more and more upside, you want to be all over it. You want to be making sure that you're banging it as strong as you can. Let's take a look at the chart for just 1 second, because you know we always want to look at charts. As you can see, all right, look, it's really easy. It had a huge up move over here, all right? I talked about it many times, almost 500%. Then a consolidation sideways of 150 days. Then a beautiful horizontal breakout over here. That's why we started over here taking positions, right? So we added 30, 32, 35, 38. It was a big trade for us back in June, all right? Made 80% maximum gain, and then we took profits, waited for another consolidation. Is that, as you saw, on the 47 was another entry we had over here, and we're still holding position, and we added, all right, above the 62 cents, waiting for it to go higher and higher and higher. NAKA has made, all right, since the beginning of the year, right, 900%. NAKA is just a beast. This is the type of trades you want to look for. You want to look for coins that are under the radar, that not many people are talking about it, not many people are aware of it. And the reason for it is because when it starts to explode, it's a complete surprise to the majority of people in the market, and they are late to the party, and then they come in, they make a new blow off top, you sell all your position, you made 100%, 200%, 300%. I don't know how much or how long you will hold it, but you are a happy camper, happy trader, right? Because you made tons of money. So these are the types of trades that we look for in our community. Now, if you want to understand how we trade in the community, very easy. Click on the link in the description and go to our Patreon page, right? Don't be hesitant. Don't think about it too much. Invest in your future, because we make profits consistently, all right? Every month, all right? This month, we already made on NAKA, all right? On Rune, we made a trade. On TON, we made a trade. On MKR, we made a trade, all right? Last month, we made shorts on CAS and long on CAS, all right? And big long on AKT, we made almost 100% on that. That big moves, right? And you can see my latest videos to see that I walk the walk. I don't just talk the talk, all right? I start with many of the videos or end them with, you know, an example of how we did on a trade, why we took it, when we took it, and so on and so forth. So don't Don't think to yourself, no, it's a bear market, I will just hodl on my whatever. Don't be just a hodler, right? Yes, you can have a long-term bucket, 30% of your capital, but 70% needs to be for shorter and mid-term trades as we take in our group. Let me make the heavy lifting for you, and you will see that you will make big returns in the long term. All right, everybody, hope you understand. Hope you liked this NAKA update, all right? And you value the work I'm doing. And if you do value the work I'm doing so far, because I've been telling and talking about NAKA since the 30 cents, all right? So please leave a comment in the section below telling me how great I am, just like Muhammad Ali or whatever. Leave a like, all right? Because you know it helps me and do my work, and it gives me that dopamine rush that I really like from these videos. You know, I'm a human being, all right? And of course, join the community. Don't be one of those people that says, no, you know what, I'm gonna wait to see whatever. Look, I have showed again and again that we make money in the community. Join the like-minded people and see for yourself. It's peanuts, right? Cheers, everybody. Remember, all right, stay tight and no edge, no trade. Cheers.